PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. That means that opposite angles would add up to 180. So this angle here and this angle here would add up to 180. Angle PSR is 4 bracket x plus 15. That means we could expand this out and write it as 4x plus 60 degrees. Angle PQR, that's this angle down here, is 40 degrees smaller than PSR. And that means that we can write this one as 4x plus 20. It's 40 degrees less. We want to work out the value of x. Well, we know that this and this, being opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, must add up to 180. So we have 4x plus 60 add 4x plus 20 is equal to 180. So 8x plus 80 degrees is 180 degrees. 8x is going to be equal to 100 degrees, and so x is 100 degrees divided by 8. X is going to be 12.5 degrees.